Hey everybody, I just wanted to take a quick minute to personally thank you all for checking out all the new YouTube content. I'm working really hard at getting put out for everybody to enjoy. And I also wanted to tell you that I started a Patreon page if you feel like helping support the content creation that I'm doing. That website is patreon.com/cornfieldcustoms. As a patron, I've got some really cool incentives for you guys. And if you want to check that out, that's awesome. If you don't feel like being a Patreon supporter too, that's just as cool. Just sharing, watching, commenting, all that stuff on my videos is also a huge help. So again, thank you all for checking out all the content I'm working on producing. I've got a lot of really great things coming in the future. I plan to do a lot more videos on the Modified Roadster project here as we move forward into 2023, getting ready for Bonneville in August. So as the car continues to come together, I plan to do a lot more videos on it, as well as my metal shaping content, how-tos. I'm going to get into the business insight stuff. And then some of the larger projects I have coming up is I'm going to get back on the streamliner project. And then I'm also starting a diesel belly tank project after the first of the year. So those will be some really good video series. And I just want to, again, thank you all for all the continued support. And if you feel like being a patron, that website again is patreon.com/cornfieldcustoms. And I greatly appreciate it. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for all the future stuff I have coming out. Thanks.